So today we will be doing hyperbolas. So here I have my problem, and I will start by finding whether it opens left or right or up or down. So this one opens left and right, so we'll put that over here. And then you have to find the center. And you find the center from this right here. So this is your x value, and is the opposite, so it is 1. And there's nothing with the y value, so it is in a 0. And these are your h and k values. We'll need that for later. And then next you find your values. So a squared equals 9. We get that from up here. So then you find the square root of that, and it's 3. And you do the same thing with the b value right here. So b squared equals 9, and then b equals 3. So then now you'll need to find a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And that would be 9 plus 9 equals c squared, so 18 equals c squared, and c equals 4.2. So then you'll graph your points. So you go to your graph and you find -2, 0, and then 4, 0, and then 1, 3, and 1, -3. So you'll have that. And so they're all equal right here. Let's move this one over a little bit. So about right here. And you'll need to kind of just draw a box, a dashed line around all of them. So you have a box connecting all your points. And then draw a straight line, a dotted line again, through the corners of the whole box. And the same thing on the other side. And just kind of helps figure out things. So then now we're going to find our foci, and the equation for that is y minus k equals 1/2 b over a, and then x minus h. So right here in this, it's y minus 0 equals plus or minus 3 over 3. We get the 3's from up here. This is our a over b. And then your x value up here, it's just x, and then your h right here is -1. So that's how you find that. And now next, you'll need to graph your asymptote, and that is how you find that. So you'll draw your asymptote. This dotted line right here is your asymptote right here. Okay, so we have this right here, and this is our asymptote. And then to find your length of your transverse axis, so it's your TA over here, you just multiply your b and a values right here. So that is like the length, the whole area of the box pretty much. So it equals 6, and your conjugate axis also equals 6. And you're going to need to label your points, so make sure to do that when it's on here. So this one's like 4, 0. This is 1, -3, and then 1, 3, and -2, 0. And then you also need to find your foci. So this right here is h plus or minus c comma k, and that's 1 plus 4.2 in this case because of this a squared and b squared and all this over here. And then comma 0 because your k value up here is 0, and then you'll do 1 minus 4.2 comma 0. So then that would be 5.2 and -3.20. So you'll go over here and plot your graph. So right here, label that your foci, and then come over here and also label that your foci. And that is how you do hyperbolas.